What's up, guys? Today here we are going to go after guinea fowl and pheasants. At the moment there's just a lot of guinea fowl at cows, and I'm going to try make a stop on them. So yeah, guys, wish me luck. It's just very cold here. Literally, I have 2 jackets on, very coat. In Afrikaans we would say it's bus coat. Yeah, guys, yes, very bus coat. So yeah, but guys, what should we shoot? Pheasant or guinea fowl? Because the guinea fowl are chasing away the dogs. Yeah, I'm going to shoot one of them. Oh damn, guys, they are running off. Running. The whole herd. I'm not going to take a shot at them. There are some pheasants. There. Oh, there's one guinea at the side. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Yeah, guys. Oh, there comes another. They are just. They're running away. Oh shit! Another one. They have close stay. They have wheels. They are very fast. I don't know English. Can run this fast, but they are on a mission. Here comes another one. Huge one. Not big enough. Guys, a lot of guineas. A lot of them, guys. Oh, it's flying. Hey guys. Quick and quiet, stop. They are just right behind this bush. Right behind this bush here. Oh yeah, guys. Yeah, this is awesome. There's still some. I'll pick you guys up when I shoot one. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So far, it's not looking good. I just missed 2 guinea fowl. Unfortunately, I did not get the shots on camera because I don't have a tripod. I just have a selfie stick here, and I'm trying to decide how can I zap through the bushes without them seeing me in this outfit. So guys, oh shit, it's wet. It's wet, guys, it's wet. Wet air. Wet air. Oh, anyways, it's very wet, guys. I'm just trying to figure out where maybe. I think I see it. I don't know if it is. I might just have to look at this guy. guys, it's making me fun. Stock mode activating now. Just I'm gonna flank around them because the pathway, so I need to flank around through the bushes and try and get a shot on one. Because what I think happened is I shot over one because it was too close. They were at 15 to 20 meters probably. And this rifle sighted me in 100 meters. And guys, the wind is not in my favor. So we are going to go through the bushes and flank around. And try to get the shot. If I just hit my shotgun, then I could have just made some noises. And I already have one. But yeah, guys, just me in the bushes and thinking if the raw thickness of the South African Jumanji jungle. If you ask why I'm in Afrikaans sniffing, I am because my nose gets cold, and my nose gets cold. My nose runs. Yeah, yeah. So we are going to try and shoot some. I'm going to I don't know what that is. So they keep me to stop. Just get to it. Oh yeah, guys, they are not far from me. They are about 75 meters. And pray that they don't see me. So yeah. I'm also praying that I don't step on the snake. Okay, well guys, looks like, let's see this one, I think, well guys, looks like we redeemed ourselves. Yeah, it's not a very big guinea, but will do. I think somebody already shot it, short egg guys, short egg. Yeah. And yeah boys, let's just go back to the cows and see if we can shoot a pheasant. I already see some stuff. I don't know if it is a pheasant or a guinea fowl, but we already have a guinea. So if it is a pheasant, we will probably take a pheasant. Then we might maybe eat it. So yeah. Dat is een patat. Ja boys, weer lekker hier op de plaats. Sorry, I'm working more. I don't know what you call working in English. So yeah boys, let's go. I hope it is whatever I think it is. Because I'm not trying to go back to the place where I shot this guinea. Took 3 shots and one of them landed on this one. So yeah guys, let's go. Listen. Oh no. Just a bush. This wind is terrible today. Very, very terrible. If you're on guinea fowl or pheasants, and what type of rifle you are using. So yeah, there should be some stuff here. The sparrows just flew over me. Oh boys, my nose is running today boys. Ja, not lekker. Wat dan? So far, nothing yet. Yeah guys, the keyword of the day is hit. Very proud of my shot placement for this guinea. I shot it through the lungs, and then it went into the bushes, and I had to retrieve it like the last video I did, the very first last, yeah, the very first I did. That's why my head is going up. Try to hunt and your head is blowing up. It feels like your head is falling off. Now guys, the people that work on the farms, they go hunting in the mornings in this wind. I understand boys. Not very lekker. You get your head blown off every time. But you know what is lekker? Yes. A guinea fowl. Yeah boys. Yeah boys. Kabosh. Kabosh. Guys, I just spotted some guineas. Yeah, guys, just spotted some. They are coming from the north side, and I'm going to try and sleep on them. Take another shot, but this time I will try to hit one and catch it on camera. But guys, if I had my tripod here today, this week, I would have made a lot of kill shot videos. So yeah, fell in the back. This thing's nails is very long, guys. Dan steek my vingers pap. If you steek my fingers flat, guys. And I'm now just up. Shit. Oh shit. Okay guys, I need to go back in the bushes. Okay guys, but yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, very perfect, guys. Just here, waiting for the guineas. With the guinea fowl. Yeah, guys. It's not a huge guinea, but it is one. I don't even pay attention to guineas as much today. Just saw that they have eyebrows, guys. Did y'all know that? I didn't even know that. But yeah. Hopefully these guys that are driving through the path will now spook the guineas my way. So as they come over this hill here, that hill, there, this little hill, come over, walk through the side, through there. You won't see that, but through there, in that open pathway there. And that is where I will take the shot. So yeah, boys. Very chilly outside. And a lot of doves flying through. Guinea fowl coming. Yeah, boys. Habosh. Babosh. Pinchaling. Checkmate. Okay, cheers, guys. Okay, guys. Just some stupid dude came driving through. He's not one of our neighbors, but I just saw the car. It's not one of our neighbors. Just drove through. All of the guineas was just here, the backside of this hill, as I told you guys. And he just rushed them off. They just went, whoo, gone. So I need to go there and talk to him. Joked it. Just joking, guys. Need to go there, sit in my blind, and wait for some guineas to get back there and shoot a couple of them. But yeah, guys, see you another time. In my day. Sorry guys, the camera is flipping because I'm on a selfie stick. I'm trying to get my hand in the top. So yeah, guys, see you when I'm back. Okay, guys, I am here in my blind, getting flippin' cold. If I was here with my air rifle, I could have shot maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, just say about 25 doves already, because there's one on a stick and about 20, yeah, they are coming in like this butter, guys. Here comes another 6, 7. Ah, there's a springbok. So now there's a springbok. Sorry for my camera, guys. And there's all the doves. All of the doves just sitting here. Oh, guys. This could have been a little dove hunt for today. Yeah. If you all want to know, I'm freezing my butt off right now. Because it is about, let's think, 13 degrees to 10 to 13 degrees Celsius here today, guys. But yeah, a lot of doves. Yeah, guys. A lot. I'm just waiting for a guinea to come in. At the moment I need to take a pee. Now, just scanning the area for any doves or not the doves, guineas, because it's very cold, very cold. Yeah, guys. Oh, there's another one stick. Another one. Now, guys, it's about 30 doves here. If I had my air gun, guys, just obliterate these. Yeah, the girl just get all the doves away. Ah, boys, very cold here. Very cold. What's the time, eh? Oh damn, here comes a bucky. And another dove. And another dove. Yeah, here comes my uncle, Robbie. Yeah, boys. Guinea fowl's coming. Guinea fowl coming in. I just see the head sticking out, guys. Y'all won't see it on camera, but the heads are sticking out. Ah, please don't yag them away. Please don't. Now, guys, they are yagging hulle away for the day. I just gave the guinea fowl for a farm worker, and I'm trying to spot the guineas again, but they are kind of away in the bush, or not in the bush, in the bush. Just joking, guys. They are just behind a what do you call it? Oh, a crow's coming. Oh, damn, I see. By the way, I don't know if I can shoot crows. I don't think so. I'm kind of good at these. By the way, here comes another crow. Please don't just come here. You're making me want to shoot you. Okay guys, I'm going to... Yeah boys. Guys, the doves are just... hundreds and hundreds of doves. Guys, my camera is not that good. It's a Samsung, not an iPhone. Kijk, hierdie klomp duwe. Dit is meer as 50. Dit is net duwe. Ek het klaar 'n tarantaal geskiet.